What's up guys? I seem to have a problem with my Alpinestars Tech Air 5 airbag. The indicator is stuck here at red and yellow. So at the time of filming this, it's already been like this for the past probably 12 hours or 14 hours. Even if it's fully engaged, it doesn't go to color green as it should be. So it stays here at color yellow. So my strategy for now, I think it's just to let it drain. So initially, it went to green, the ready mode. But immediately when I connected it and started to charge, when I unplugged the magnetic flap, it went to like that already, red and yellow. After it won't pair to my phone again, I tried unpairing it and that's downhill from there. It wouldn't pair at all anymore.
Hey guys, this is just a follow-up video on my issue with the Tech Air 5 airbag. In the first part of the video, I mentioned that indicator, it won't go away. It was just stuck at the red and orange. It won't activate. So I even tried to open this, but at the end I didn't push through with it. So what I did is that I just let the battery drain. It took around 2 days, I think, 1 to 2 days. Then after which I charged it again to full. Then afterwards I didn't encounter any issues anymore. If you have similar issues with me, that will be the solution for now. You just have to let it drain and charge it again, then connect it to your app again. Alright, that's it for now. Thank you for watching.